Who you got, Leon?
Daddy.
Look, you got a new one there. Who is that? Is that Madge? Yeah, there's Madge. Yeah, Madge. She can pull the other trains. Gonna put them on her back. Who's that? Is that Annie and Clarabelle? Look, there's Annie and there's Clarabelle that goes with Thomas. Yeah, that's Madge. Who's that? Annie. Yeah, Annie and Clarabelle. Who's the other one? She's behind you on the floor. Yeah, there she is, down there on the floor. Annie and Clarabelle, they go with Thomas. Thomas pulled them. Yeah. And that goes with Madge. Yeah. Where's Thomas? There he is. He's down by your feet on the ground. That's Annie and Clarabelle. You gonna get Thomas and have him pull him? Look, that's Madge. Yeah, that's Madge. Yeah, that's the trailer that goes on the back of Madge, so she can pull the narrow gauge trains. Yeah, you can do the narrow gauge trains. You got Rheneas over there. She can pull him or carry him. Rheneas, the yellow train, down there by Percy. Down there on the other side. Yeah, you got all kind of trains. See? Yeah, that's Madge. Where's Harold? Yeah, Harold the helicopter. Harold the helicopter. Yeah, that's the trailer. And that's Madge. See, that goes on the back like that. And see, you put it down on the ground, and then Madge can roll like that. You can put a train on the back. Yeah, so you put it up on there like that, on the ground. So it goes in that little hole right there on that one. See that hole on the back? Goes in that one. Turn Madge around the other way. Turn Madge like that. Hold Madge with that hand. Hold Madge like that. And then take this and hold it on the back like that. And then you set Madge on there. On the hole like that. Oop. There, we'll fix it. See? You can sit down on the ground. Yeah. Is that Clarabelle or Annie? Whee! You gonna get Thomas to pull them? There's Thomas right down there. Number 1 train. There's Annie. There's Thomas. That's Clarabelle. Yeah, that's Madge. Oh yeah. There you go. There you got Reneus. Got Rosie over there. There's Rosie. There's Victor. There's Billy. That's Madge. There's Billy. There is James pulling a coal car. There is Leon. There is Madge's trailer. And there's Emily. Victor. Gordon's on the turnaround. And all the trains are getting lined up. Oh! What's the creature from the Black Lagoon say? Yeah, he's a monster! Oh yeah, what does Donald Duck say? Yeah. You got a whole string of trains. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let me see your Thomas shirt. Ding, 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 Thomas shirt. Thomas shirt. Oh, Thomas shirt. You got on some low ride britches. Yep, that's that heavy weights. You wearing them blue jeans down low, man. You had to go hang out in the hood with them drawers on. Check them out. Don't say, hey, brother. I'm just waiting for something to happen. Waiting for something to happen. You like your new cars? Mommy got them for you. Where's Mommy? You gonna go say thank you to Mommy? Go in there to Mama and say thank you, Mommy, for all the new Thomas the Train stuff. Alright, Leon's going to go off to the big track. Play with Thomas and friends. Thomas and friends. On Sodor. Now be careful. He's strategically positioning himself between the Marshall amplifiers and the 57 Stratocaster and cowboy boots. Which could only mean one thing. Somebody has a quite full diaper. The strategy is, how do you get Mr. Leon out of the corner when he's got Anna and Clara and a full diaper with bro pants on? That is the question. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you stuck? Need help? Grab something and come out there. You want Daddy to help you? Daddy's hand. Ooh, your britches is falling off, Meryl. Boo. He's hiding.